Hey, and welcome to my channel, BRLE. That's me. Today is my first video and my first order from Ipsy. I'm so excited to unbag it, box it, however you want to say it, and I hope you enjoy coming along with me. Let's get started. So this one is the Cozy Up to Me, limited edition bag for October. It was $14 and I'm pretty excited to see what's inside. I watched some videos before I ordered it to kind of, see if there's anything worth ordering in it, since it was a mystery bag. And this is like my first time ordering from Ipsy. I wanted to see, get a preview, and some of them were different than other ones, so I'm really excited to see what I got, and there's a couple of things that I'm hoping for, so let's dive right in. It is a snap closure lavender and burgundy. It's pretty large, it's bigger than the size of my hand. That's nice. Snap closure, the envelope style, it seems to be a good fit. It doesn't feel like things are going to fall out like some snap closures. The inside is a soft, loud plastic texture, kind of like a windbreaker material. Okay, so the first thing I see is a brush, and it is a Luxie brush. Let's see, Luxie 1010 small contour brush. It has this placeholder, I guess, like a finger placement. It's kind of smooth, it feels really good to hold. Smaller of a brush than I think I've ever used on my face, so I guess it's for very specific contouring, if you want to be very detailed with where you put that. I'm excited to have a new brush. My brushes are right here, mostly drugstore or discount store bought. So I'm excited to grow my collection with this Luxie brush. I don't know if I said Luxie 1010 small contour. That's which brush this is. I hope you can read that. Ooh, I don't know. I'm excited about that. Let's see. Hello Fab. First, a beauty. Pores Be Gone matte primer with fig extract, oil free. Safe for sensitive skin. It does not have a safety seal on it. I'm kind of picky about that kind of stuff, and I probably won't use it since it wasn't sealed all the way or properly or at all. Anyways, back to, I'm so excited. This is one of the things I was hoping to get. Looky here. It is the, hang on, let me get it open. Ofra Highlighter Glow Goals. I am so excited about this. I don't have any makeup on right now, so I kind of want to see what I get out of my bag. I don't know if I said this mystery bag was $14. So, the bag itself is pretty cute. I wouldn't have probably not paid $14 for it, but I'm excited to use it. I will definitely use it. And this itself is definitely more than $14, so I feel like I've already gotten my money's worth. Ooh. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And I've got a new brush to use it with. Picks up pretty good. Pardon my removal of my glasses. You can see my bag. Oh my goodness. It feels so good. And look at that. Shiny. Look at the difference. Nothing but white washed out in a glow. I don't think I'm going to do one side at a time. I think I'm going to just, go glowy for you. I don't think that's a song, but we're not sick. Ooh, I like it already. Ooh, I'm so excited. My new brush, my new highlighter. Okay, so, and then that primer that I'm not going to use because it wasn't sealed. Let's see what else is in here. This was another thing I was hoping I would get. It is IBY Beauty City Limits Fire. Hang on. I got some small red on here. Fire and Ice eyeshadow. Let's see. Some people were complaining on videos that I was watching already of how small this is, and the box itself is probably 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch, or like 2 by 2, like this. Oh, I dropped it. I hope it's not broken. It landed on some dirty clothes in my bathroom, so I think it's safe. But like, it's barely bigger than my thumb. So I mean, it is small, but like, I already got the highlighter, and I'm excited to try this. It's kind of a. Lots of people were saying it looked like greenish brown, but then like when you put it on your finger, it's like goldish. Let's see what it looks like. I'll do a swatch here for you. Look how much, like that does not look like the same thing, like at all. Ooh, let me get a towel for my finger and one of my old brushes. That's kind of dark. I don't know. Let's see here. Just got some of it right here like this. Gonna go to my 5X side because I do not have my glasses on. Whoa, I don't know if you can see this. Look, can you see? Like, that is some good pigmentation. Oh, it's such like rich color. I like it. I think I'm gonna bring it like all the way down, just so that I don't not have anything down there. I'm so excited to have that. I just set that mirror down on my glasses. That's how much I can't see without them. I do not usually sing, like, I don't know, I'm just super excited. Like, this is my first order, and my first video, which is like all kinds of firsts, and it's just got me really excited. Ooh, look at that glow. I'm so excited. And I was like, whoa, my light's too bright. No. I got some glowing going on. I'll just leave my things like that. Oh, and my hair's already falling out. Whatever. Okay. I still have, like, more of it in a ponytail back here. That's so exciting. Okay, so let's see what the other thing is in here. It's a body lotion. 1 fluid ounce. I don't know if that would be, like, full size or not. I'm really sensitive to different scents and perfumes, so let's see if it's sealed. Right, it is sealed. I feel like I can smell it, but I'm not gonna sniff it anymore. First of all, I'm very sensitive to scents, smells, perfumes. I can get like terrible, like crippling migraines from them, so I'll probably just like gift that away to somebody. I just don't know what to do with all this. I recently cut my hair myself. Yes, I did. I usually do. And I usually, you know, play with the color in myself too, but I let my little brother do it, and he did great, y'all. Like, it's black. I know. I was like, you can't go wrong with black. Gonna let him, you know, if he's willing, I'm gonna let him do it. And he did such a good job. Like, usually me and my sisters work together on it, and he's just like in there entertaining us because, you know, he likes music and all this kind of stuff. He always makes us laugh, but like, he did it. I mean, one of my sisters rinsed it out, but like, he did everything else. He did such a good job. But like, so it's all new, like new hairstyle, new color, so I'm still trying to get used to it. Anyways, so this bag came with a nice Luxie blush. No, not blush. Brush. And it feels so soft. So that's, okay, we're just going to try to do it like this. 1. Go for highlighter, and I think it is beautiful. I do wish that, like, I had started in the summer and gotten this, because right now it's October. Like, it'll be good for the fall, but I don't know that it'll work for winter for me. Like, I thought about bringing a white piece of paper in here to show you how white I am. Like, I am pink toned, but I am very fair. Anyways, Luxie brush, over highlighter, sample primer, probably won't use. This is nice size, like it's a good purse size, but I probably won't use it myself because of reasons already noted. And then this teeny tiny but super beautiful eyeshadow I'm super excited to have. And this is not a very pretty presentation, but this is what I got for $14. A lot of people were like, $14, ooh. I was like, first of all, it's kind of a gamble. It's a mystery bag. I kind of did some research in advance, like watched some other videos because I didn't get it as soon as it came out. Kind of waited until the last minute and then saw what other people were getting. I was like, okay, that's worth, $14 if I get one assortment of these things. And I'm very excited about the brush, I'm very excited about the highlighter, and I'm very excited about the eyeshadow. Like the highlighter itself, I think obviously is worth more than $14. I got a Luxie brush and this beautiful eyeshadow, so I'm very pleased. I feel like it was worth the $14. You have to be a member in order to get these deals, like any other purchases other than the subscription. You already have to be a subscriber, as far as I know. I think so. That's my opinion. Whatever I'm supposed to say here to be a disclaimer. And I really like this bag. From the reviews that I got, I really thought it was going to be a lot softer. I mean, it is corduroy type. It's kind of like fake corduroy. But it's, I can't say it again now. That style, like it's ribbed fabric. But I will definitely be using this. So that completes part 1 of my first video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just checked and the Cozy Up limited edition bag from Ipsy is still available for $14. They are not all the same, I will say. But I was excited about what I got in mine. It's still available if you would like to sign up for Ipsy. If you're already a member, you have that availability already. But if not, and you would like to sign up, I will put a link in the description box below, and feel free to sign up under my link. That would be amazing. Please pardon the cars passing by outside. So yeah, I look forward to editing the rest of this video and sending out part 2. Thanks so much for watching, and this is BR Lee, and I'll be BRB.